Good morning from here. In today's teaching, you'll be learning about how you can apply for your Saudi Council license verification for TruMerit or CGFNS. So you proceed to any browser of your choice, and then you are going to type SCFHS Tawasul. So this is where it took me to. And then what I'm going to do is I want to generate a ticket. So you come here, click on it to generate a ticket. So after that, you can see where it took us to. It'll say create a ticket. And these are the details. These are the informations we are going to be filling for your verification. Okay, you must have your form from CGFNS or from TruMerit that you are going to be upload, and then you will have filled it with your names and necessary details. So select type of request. So this is the type of request. You want to scroll down and see classification and registration. Classification and registration services. Click on it. When you do that, click here, and then you see apply for verification, because what you want to do is you want to apply for verification of your Saudi license. So you go ahead and click on that. When you are done, you go down. The profile number is your Saudi license number. So you are going to proceed by filling in the information. Is your IGAMA number. You proceed by putting in the details. And here, the same name you used in your TruMerit or that is in your identification number, you proceed by filling the information. So your mobile number, you're going to put in your mobile number. I would say you should use your Saudi Arabia mobile number for any communication and to make it more easier. Then you put your email. Make sure that you use same email across the email you have used in your CGFNS. I will say you should use the email. And then here, are you registered in SCFHS, which is Saudi Commission for Health Specialists? To click yes. So when you click yes, this is what it's going to give you. It says you're going to enter your Saudi Council number here, entering your Saudi Council license. So after that, you're going to type here. I'm going to type for you so that you can see. I hope you can also see what I wrote here. I have attached the TruMerit verification form for my Saudi Council nursing license. Kindly fill this form and send to TruMerit or CGFNS email below, verification@cgfns.com. So that is it. And so when you are done, you will select your file, you click here. So it will take you to whatsoever file you want to fill in here. So I'm going to go ahead and select a file. I'm going to upload the file. So I've selected my file here. I'm done with everything. I'm going to save. So this is what it's going to give you. You must make sure you have this message. Thank you, your application has been registered correctly. But it will give you your ticket number, and that is it. The Saudi Council is going to send you an email specifying which account to pay to, and then when you pay your money, you are going to reply back to them. Then from there, they will send your details to Saudi, from Saudi Council to CGFNS. Thank you for watching. Bye.